I might show you now how to do the crispy chicken skin. Yeah. I can just show you quite quickly how to do it because we have the oven on. So one tray with greaseproof paper on it. I'm going to take some of the chicken skin now and just spread it out. So you see there like that? Just spreading that out. This is a little bit that was up around the leg. So just spread that out as well. You'll see later on how this turns out. But like I said to you, once you do it once, you're going to have to keep doing it because it's addictive. You can break it like that. Spread it out again. Just put that little bit there for one of my dogs. And then what we're looking to do here is a little bit of salt. And then what we're looking for, small bit of greaseproof paper over this again. And then our little tray in on top of that. This is going to go into the oven about 180 for about 30 minutes. You have to check it every now and again just to see, but there's no point checking it for the first 30 minutes. Okay? So in it goes. So now these are some of the crisps, the chicken crisps that we've just taken out. So you can see how nice and flat on the nut here. You can hear them crunching on, I hope, on the microphone, because I've crunched it a bit onto the microphone. So you can hear that crunch. You hear it? So now this is really delicious. It has lovely, it's a chicken crisp. That's the best way to explain it. So I'll see here now. Belle. Hey, belly button. Hiya. Look what I have. Now look at this. Look at this for Belle. Look. What's this? Oh yeah. Oh, that's delicious. Oh, those chicken crisps.